Hello everybody, today we're going to be learning how to solve the 2x2 Rubik's Cube. The 2x2 Rubik's Cube is a fairly easy cube, and I'm going to tell you the steps to solve it. So first we're going to be solving the white, then we're going to be solving the yellow, and we're going to be solving this layer right here. So those are the three easy steps and very simple algorithms. Let's get started by mixing up this cube. Okay, now I've mixed up the cube. Now it's good to start with the white because you can easily notice the white and it's really vibrant. So let's start off with the white. We already have a white piece right here, and as you can see it's white, red, and green. So white, red, and green means we can either install another red piece over here or another green piece over here. Since we already have one green piece over here, we can already install it right here. But obviously we can't just put it in like that because then that wouldn't work. So what we're going to do is that make sure that it is in the proper position for installing. So what we're going to do is twist this down. Make sure it's like that. Then we're going to twist it one more time twice, and we're going to bring it up. So when that happens, we can just really easily just twist it in, and we can already make these two. So now we have another blue piece here. So a blue can go with the orange. So this is a white, orange, and blue piece. So we're going to put the blue piece in now. So that would go right next to the orange. So all we have to do once again is turn it in and bring it up. So that's solved. Now we have made an L shape. So let's get the last piece in. Now the last piece is on the bottom. So right here. So we're not going to get the bottom in by twisting it twice. That wouldn't work. So what we're going to do is that make sure it's in the proper positioning for installing, so that when we twist it up, we know that it's in the right place. So we just twist it up and you know that it's going to be solved. But we can't do that because now this piece is broken. So let's do it. So what we're going to do is the same thing. We're going to twist it that way. We're going to bring this twice down. Even though there's nothing there, we're still going to put it in. We're going to bring it up twice. And as you can see, we have installed it in. Now the rest is over here, and once we bring it up, we have completed the white. So this is the white layer completed, and we also have this additional layer that's also completed. Now on to our next step. Just as I said, solving the yellow. As you can see, two of the yellows are already solved. So we're just going to be solving the rest. Now there's many different cases in solving the yellow, but my case is going to be doing this algorithm. So if you're in a case where you have two right next to each other, whether they're here or here, make sure that it's in the left hand corner, and then after that you do this algorithm. Up once, like that, right? Bring it twice away, so that's twice away. Bring that down, bring that once back, only once, bring it up, and now just put it in. So that has actually done this. Now you might think this is even more messed up, but it's not. All we have to do now is that turn it to this side, and now we just have to put it in. Do the same algorithm. So once again, it's just bringing it up, turning it twice away to the right. Now bringing it back down, bringing it back again, bringing it up again. But this time we're going to do a different moveset, which is going to be doing the same thing with the left. We're going to bring the left up. We're going to twist the left twice, so that now it's back here, as you can see. We're going to bring the left down. We're going to bring the left back, put it up, and now we have to put it in. Now it looks like we're back to our original position, but there are a few changes. Now that since we have this color solved, it's going to be easier solving this one. Now one other move that you can do is that you can just twist it this way, so that this goes on to the completely final step of solving the cube. So I'm going to teach it one time right now, and I'm going to teach it one time later. So let's get started with this one. So The move step is a little hard, but I'm sure you can do it. All you have to do is bring it once like that. After that, now it moves on to this face. Bring it like that so that it's turned that way. Now bring it down to this face. Now it has the contrasting colors, green and blue. Now what you can do is that there's going to be a couple of green and blues. So when you twist it twice, you know that you have done the steps right by seeing another green and blue. After that, you bring it up so that it's matching with the blue and blue. You bring it that back. You bring this again. Again, it's green and blue, which is contrasting, so that's right. After we twist it twice, we make sure that's also green and blue, so that's green and blue. And we can bring it up twice. And now, as you can see, the final move is just going to be turning it.